Okay guys, I found a pretty cool sound, so if you're going to listen to this, I would probably say wear headphones and turn them fairly loud, but I was just kind of throwing some of these old 223 rounds, like I'd just be like, toss it on the ground, but I threw one a certain way and it made a really cool noise, so, drop that one, but okay, you take it, yeah, see, hey, turn around. Okay, focus. Focus on what I want you to focus on. Can't really read it because this one's decently damaged, so focus. Yeah, it's a little too close, but oh well, they're 2 to 3 rounds, so just listen. Okay, I have no idea if any of those were able to be picked up, but they made a really cool noise, so yeah. See you guys in the next video, I guess.